My name's Adam Short and welcome to UK Coastal Track. Right, well it's 4:30 in the morning and it's been blowing like this all night long. The tent is absolutely battered, got a leak at the end there so everything is wet. Sleeping bag, trousers, my socks, my shoes. Got another 10 months of this. Right, I need to get across this river here, estuary, mouth, whatever you want to call it. Now, it's running ever so quickly. The current is coming in and it must be about 15 knots, I'm guessing, which is pretty quick. To make it even more dangerous, just over there is a little whirlpool. You probably can't see it, but it's there alright. I've had better ideas. Right, well the weather has completely changed now. Got a big thick black thundercloud coming in and the wind has really picked up. So I've decided not to cross down there. I've come inland a little bit. Gonna wait for the high tide, hopefully use the wind and the current going out to take me to the mouth and across where hopefully the currents won't be so ferocious. And now all I gotta do is wait. Well, I'm nicely sheltered here in the woods, quite close to the lock. So while I am waiting for the tide to turn, I thought I'd get a little fire going, maybe make some cup of soup, have a cup of coffee, just kind of relax. It's going to be a few hours. Well, I got up early in the morning to catch the low tide. It was a strong current, but managed to ferry glide across. I'm very pleased with myself. Well, there they are again, the angels of the sea, my guardian angels. Whenever I cross, I saw a couple this morning in Hoolley when I was paddling, and this must be the rest of the family. I think they're more intrigued about me than I am of them. Amazing. Oh, absolutely fantastic what nature can provide. Just look at that, it's so spectacular, it's awesome. If you like this video, then why not share it with your friends?